Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be checking out this GNCC indoor camera. This is a camera with two-way audio, real-time notifications for motion, and it does offer voice detection, night vision, cloud recording, and also local SD card recording. So if you don't want to pay for one of those subscriptions for cloud recording, or if you don't want your videos stored out there on the cloud, you can just pop an SD card into this and store your footage locally. It does come with the power adapter, a 3M sticker for I guess either mounting it, I guess we'll see here in a second. It's either for mounting it or it's just to notify that there is a camera recording. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I got the app downloaded here on my iPad, so we will set that up as well. Right, so here is, looks like the camera. Very, very lightweight. It is powered by micro USB. Looks like a pairing or reset button right there. Reset button it says. Got the plastic on there. Obviously you need to take that off beforehand. Got the mount back there, mount up here. So it looks like you can have two different mounting locations. And then your SD card slot on the side there. And then here we have your cable right here. Again, micro USB. We have your 3M adhesive, so it is an adhesive sticker for mounting this. If you want to stick it to like a table, I wouldn't stick a 3M adhesive to your wall because that'll probably rip the paint off if you ever want to take it off, but maybe something like a window. Here is your base right here. So you can put the base somewhere, put it down like that, or you can, if you want to mount it on the wall or window, like I said, you can stick it to the back of the camera. Just pop it in there like so, stick it to the back of the camera, and you can mount it on the wall like that. Or it pops out and you can stick the camera on the base. It's kind of hard to get it on there like that with it moving around. But it does go on and it is very secure. That's for sure. There we go. It sits just like so. You can turn it around, angle it wherever you need to go. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Get this plugged in. I'm going to use my USB hub right here to power it, but like I said, it does come with the power adapter. So we're going to get that plugged in there. It's got a pretty long, I'd say probably 6 to 10 foot cable on it. Go ahead and get it plugged in. We do have a red light on right there. I'm going to go ahead and open the app here on my iPad and accept that. Bluetooth, yes, agree. Alright, so I'm just going to sign up for an account real quick. And then I'll show you guys the app. So give me 1 sec to do that. Alright, so we have the app here. We're going to go ahead, I'm signed in, we're going to hit add device. And we are going to find our camera. This is a, let's see, this is the GC2. So we're going to select GC2, did I miss it? We have the C1, it might be the C2, we'll go C2 right here. Don't remind me again, understand. And then we are going to do the QR code. And the red light is flashing. So then we're going to enter our password here for our Wi-Fi. Alright, and then I guess the camera just scans this QR code. I don't know if this is going to work because the QR code is too large for the camera to see without scrolling, so I don't know that that would work on the iPad, but we're going to go back and we're going to choose the hotspot mode. The red light is still flashing. So now we're going to go to the settings and connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network. So let's see here if we have it. Yep, security cam right there. So we're going to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network. And we're going to go back to the app. And we're going to allow the location. Alright, we have a noise on the camera and it looks like it is communicating and doing something. We got a percentage down there. So it looks like it's either updating or I think it's updating because the light is flashing white right now. Alright, we're about 90%. And it said something, I think it said pair successful. Alright, it says connected successfully. So now we can name our camera. So I'm just going to give it a name, I'm just going to call it Loft. And hit next. And it looks like it's going to load up our image here. Got a red light on the camera. Alright, and we're blinking white. I think it may still be updating. Let's see, is it connected? Alright, it's doing something. I'm going to give it a... oh, there we go. So there's me, there's the camera. You can see right there we've got the timestamp and everything. You can put it in full screen. We do not have cloud recording enabled. Test. So you can see we have the audio on the camera there. So that is very nice. Put it back in full screen. So super cool camera. It looks like it is pretty quick to respond to activity. And we'll go back here. So here's the app. You can see your motion detection. I think it has like package. Oh no, that's the subscription. But you have AI options if you do the subscription. So package detection, person detection, animal detection, that kind of stuff. And then without that, of course, you can pop an SD card in there and do local SD card recording as well. So all your detection up there with the AI. But that's what it looks like. Pretty easy to set up. If you try this on a phone, the QR code would probably work a little bit better. But with just the camera by itself like that and the large iPad screen, it didn't. QR code didn't show up properly. But there we go. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have a great day.